Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about gifting ideas for Raksha Bandhan. Finally, I get a chance to dress up after March and I am not going to miss this chance at all. And also, if you don't have a brother or sister with you, please do not find a reason to not dress up because your sister or brother is not here, but find every possible reason to dress up and stay connected virtually. And if you're the only kid, then please dress up for yourself, tie a rakhi to your own self, and give something to yourself. Again, this is a very, very cool thing. There is no harm or anything like that. Also, in this video, I have tried to cover as many categories as I can, as many options as I can. So you definitely have something to take away from this video. Also, when you're gifting something to somebody, okay, please remember this one thing, that it is really, really important that you gift something which is valuable for the person. Okay, say for example, if the person is something into super hardcore gymming and all of that, and if you give the person a skincare set, maybe the person is not really a skincare person, then the person is not really going to value that and all of that. He's just going to take it and it's just going to be lying there. Okay, so when you gift something to somebody, please understand their likes and dislikes too. Okay, and understand what sort of a person they are, and don't gift something to somebody because you like it, because you feel it is good, because you are gifting it to somebody. Unless you're gifting something to your own self, then it's completely alright. So yeah, let's directly get started with the first gift. The first thing that you can really gift is a self-defense training course. Now let's not really turn our backs to the things like rapes don't happen and women are completely safe and all of that. They do happen, and even in the pandemic I have read a lot of such rape cases and all of that, and that's why I feel that this is important to put in this video. Okay, because see, at this point of time you're staying at home. Okay, you will definitely have your brother with you, and if you don't have, you will have definitely one male person with you, and if you don't have, you can have someone who you can trust and all of that. Okay, and if you don't have any option at all, you can train your own self, because this pandemic is going to get lifted at one point of time. At one point of time, we are going to get out of these four walls that we are living in, and we are going to get back to the normal living lifestyle that we used to have. Okay, and gifting something like that is really going to add value, because maybe 3 years down the line or 4 years down the line, when you're coming back home or something like that, and you may come in such a situation, you don't want to be the person who's been a victim of something like that, but you want to be able to trick those people. If you don't really want to hurt them, but trick them and just run at sonic's speed and get away from that situation. So this will really help you, not just in the next 1 or 2 years, but for your entire lifetime. So you should definitely consider this. Now from the second idea, everything is going to be on a lighter note. I completely promise to you on that. Okay, now the second idea is gifting somebody a wallet or a bag for that matter. Now there are some category of people who love bags and wallets a lot, and some category of people who don't really love it. For the ones who really, really love it, I have two options for you. Actually, three. Okay, one is Swarang Designs. You can really, really have something from them. I do have 3 of their products and they are really, really good. I will leave images over here so for you to understand. But I have bought all of these things and they are really, really good. Especially this bag. I remember I bought it from the Flea. It was for 7,000 rupees, and on the last day I got it for 3,500. And boom, it's been 4 years to the bag and it is still going strong and it is still working perfectly. So Swarang Designs is something I will recommend, highly recommend actually. The second is gifting this Flipside wallet. Now this actually I gifted it to somebody last year. It was actually the birthday gift, but the birthday went and the gift arrived later on, but it's okay. I mean, it's okay. The wallet retails for 3,000 rupees. This is a very, very nice wallet. It has been fallen from our hands a lot of time and all of that, but it's really a nice one, and you can fit in about 8 to 10 cards in it. We actually have fitted 8 to 10 cards, and also a good amount of cash can also come into it, and still the wallet closes like really nicely and seamlessly. It doesn't give that bulky effect, okay, which I really, really like, because some people do like their wallets to be nice and slim and not really bulky. So that is also a good thing. The only negative part about this wallet is that it is available in the US. So I was lucky enough that I did have my cousin who stays there, and then she bought it for me here and I paid her. So yeah, you can try and figure out that, and it does ship to India too, but I genuinely have no clue about the shipping and all of that stuff. So this is a very good option. And just in case you want something which is available here, it is the Waterman wallet. Now that wallet actually retails for something about 8 or 9,000 rupees the last time I checked. Now in a while I haven't really checked it. So it is a really good wallet again, but it retails for, the monetary side is little expensive, but if you can, you should. It has the GPS tracking system and all of that. It's a pretty fancy nice wallet. You can consider it if you can afford it. Or else the Flipside wallet is also really good. Another thing about the Flipside wallet, which is very very nice and which I personally liked too, is that it is safe from all those hackers, who run those scanners across your wallet, and the next thing you know that all your bank balance is empty. So it is safe from all of those hackers or of people too, which I feel is really important in today's world where the technology is super duper advanced. So you should consider these things completely. The third option is if your brother or sister is working from home and has too many things to write down and too many things to remember, is a good stationery kit. Okay, it can be, I have found a couple of them actually online. I will leave some links in the description box, don't worry about that. I have actually seen them too, and I do find them very very promising. And also the fact that stationery is so simple, but it's like it's so important, we don't really understand the importance of it until we don't really have it. So the stationery kit can include as simple as a simple diary with pen, pencil, eraser, scale, maybe a highlighter, and what else, maybe a scissor probably, I guess, something like that. So yeah, you can just have gift wrap it and give it. This is such a simple thing. Also you can add some sticky notes too, you can add something like that too, and you can gift wrap it nicely and gift it to your sibling. Now the fourth idea is to gift some electronic item. Now electronic items, they are like either super duper expensive or they are at a very good price. So you can figure out what is your budget exactly and choose from earphones, headphones. You can gift speakers. You can give a portable charger if the person is into photography and all of that. Maybe an extra battery, or you can give maybe a camera lens. Even if it's a second hand one, I have seen so many good ones on OLX, and I personally liked a lot of them. So, and plus they're like really good quality too, so you can gift something like that. So yeah, you can just figure out and maybe gift a phone if you have a good budget of gifting. So you can figure out a really good electronic item to give and you can gift it. I will leave some options in the description which I feel are really good. The fifth option is not one gift but an entire website that I'm telling you to check out. Okay, it is bigsmall.in. I recently came across this website and let me tell you, I was completely mind blown with the gifting options and all of that they have, and I was like, wow, they have unique gift items and gift items that can really amp up your room for that matter, or really add some value to your relationship. They have too many things. Okay, and also for Raksha Bandhan they do have a lot of personalized stuff too. I will highly recommend them. They're really good. Check it out. I will leave a link in the description, don't worry about that. Now the seventh option is gifting some. Now for the seventh option, let's come to all the generic ideas, which is gifting like maybe a skincare set or makeup set. And it is completely okay for guys to be obsessed with skincare, to apply basic makeup like a concealer and just set it with a powder and all of that. It's completely okay. There is no harm at all in it. Okay, so you can give that. Some things that I really like is M Caffeine's that entire set. I have personally used M Caffeine from, I guess, for about 4 or 5 years. Ever since it was launched, I had used it. I had actually got it in this subscription box, which is the violet box now, which is no longer available. Ever since then I know M Caffeine, and now it's like boom, really big. So the only one product that I would very highly recommend from that is their coffee body scrub. It is so good. I cannot even tell you how good it is. It's that good. Next is maybe gifting a Beardo self-care kit. Maybe the Bombay Shaving Company, they too have. I will leave all the links in the description box. Don't worry about that. So you can just check it out and see whatever is perfect for you. Now for the eighth option, say for example your sister or your brother are super duper people who do a lot of gymming and who do a lot of exercise and all of that. You can give them maybe an entire new sportswear kit, which basically includes a sports bra, shorts, or full pants, or and also maybe a pair or two of socks. And also this is this very nice towel which I've seen on Amazon. It sort of takes up the sweat without making the towel actually stink. So I found that really interesting. I will leave that link also in the description. You can really try out that. And also if they have enough of gym wear, okay, what you can do is maybe just give them dumbbells or maybe kettlebells so they can do some sort of a workout at home, or maybe a yoga mat too. Even that will be really good and that person can actually use it. So for the ninth one is gifting your sister and yourself a nice spa day at home with Urban Clap. Now let me be very honest over here. I have personally never used Urban Clap. I have recently seen so much of the advertising that they are taking all the precautionary measures and all of that, and you can use it and they're completely safe and all of that. So you can consider that. It's really a good idea. There's no harm in having a good spa day. And also just in case you feel like super conscious and you don't want to have a spa day, you can gift some massagers. I have recently reviewed these two massagers which I bought recently. That video link will also be in the description box. Don't worry about that, you can definitely check it out. It's really good, very budget friendly too, and really nice. Now if you're like my brother and me, for the 10th gifting option, what you can do is order a lot of food, okay? Put some movie on Amazon Prime or maybe on Netflix and eat and see some stuff online. And that is how totally, after doing all the rituals, after getting all of my gift and all of that from him, this is what I'm exactly planning to do with him. So you can definitely do that. Now for the last gifting idea, just in case if your sibling is not staying here and is staying abroad, the best thing that you can do is give them a gift card from any brand, any company that you really find that the sister or brother might really end up liking, of an X amount of whatever you can afford, and gift it to them and they can order whatever they like. And yeah, that is also going to be a really good idea, and there is nothing wrong at all in that. It's just you are doing your job of gifting something. And if you don't want to do anything, just get on a call, recollect all of those beautiful memories that you've had with your siblings, the fights, the love, the crying together, and so many emotions brothers and sisters share. So you can do something like that and have a cool Raksha Bandhan. So yeah, this was the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed my blabbering. I am so pumped up for this festival, to be very honest. So if you made it till the end, thank you so much for making it till the end. It really means a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Also, I hope you had something to take away from this. Bye.